Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the purpose. What action must visitors take and who they are? Once decided, pick a tech stack that matches your skill and speed, CMS for quick edits, static for performance. Now sketch core pages and hierarchy so navigation makes sense. Make sure to prioritize a single conversion per page and list essential elements like hero, value proposition, and CTA. This rapid alignment prevents rework and gives you a focused blueprint to build from. You now assemble content and components in parallel. Draft headlines and benefit bullets that speak to the single conversion you set earlier, and make CTA copy obvious. Simultaneously build reusable components, header, footer, cards, so changes propagate quickly. Once done, integrate responsive images optimized for 100-200 KB and provide SRC set to serve appropriate sizes. Also wire accessible forms and semantic HTML to improve SEO and usability. This modular approach speeds iterations and keeps the site consistent. You finish by polishing and validating. Run accessibility audits and performance tests aiming for 90+ Lighthouse scores, then fix blocking issues. Make sure analytics and tracking are in place before launch, and configure SEO essentials like sitemap and robots. TXT. Deploy, verify redirects, and monitor uptime. Have a backup and rollback plan ready. If issues arise, first reproduce the error, check console/network logs, then roll back if deployment caused failures. This minimizes user impact and restores service fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.